King Nyah News Blem. First strong, first one in 2026. Alright, I have the top 10 news. Me I put in quote unquote items. Is King Nyah News Blem. And the top 10. Top 10. Big up Thames, my African sexy girl we are seeing. Top 10 with the N at the end. News items 2026 early. Well on. Number 10. On this list, I wait there. Rosalie and Akeem buy a house. And let me tell you what I have. 10 Rosalie Akeem buy a house wash car. So it is said that Akeem, some people don't know what I talk about. Type in Rosalie in a TikTok. If you don't know what I talk about, I don't know where you there, you know. But Rosalie, the 300-pound girl, I don't know if it's 300 pounds she weigh, but if it's not there, it's somewhere near. She have a hot boy, I'm gonna put in quote, boyfriend now. After she and her, I'm break it down, I'm go fast forward. After she and her man mash up her baby father, which she have 2 children with. According to she, him a sex panel, sex too much girl and disrespect and thief up her money and sitting. So she find a new man, a hot boy, bleach out, and I don't know what him do for a living, but him have a whole up of money, him drive pretty car and all kind of thing. Might know him do for a living is scan out 300-pound woman. I'm just showing a sign to Rosalie. But according to what I hear my sister and one of her friend, my sister fall light up hard. I discuss the Rosalie thing and one say Rosalie buy a house. No, Akeem buy a house for Rosalie. You know, see the house there, and the other one say Airbnb. I don't know, I put that out there. And one say they go in my wash car, you know, see my wash your car, girl, you know, see how you so little and cute and you know get that. At the store that we are going with the Rosalie and Akeem, I'm just sending it out there. Me make a prophecy that she's gonna do a BBL this year. Rosalie is gonna get a BBL for 2026, but BBL is not the normal way you think, big butt lift. Big back lift. Is that what Rosalie, she's gonna lift her back. So it's not gonna so big anymore. One Kevin. You have a man named One Kevin on TikTok when you can type that in. I don't give him no views, him not need it from me. In channel big, him a whole of people are following. He live a foreign. Some foreign city, hardcore city like Brooklyn or one of them, I'm not sure. But One Kevin is the whole of the Mama Bell where I get the King Nyah News Blem for the early 2026. One Kevin decides said if the police them in a field mine and in enough of mine, the police them a kill off some young boy out of Jamaica and I say a gunman who shoot off of them. That's how we are going. That's how we think are going. Now we can't prove that unless we is a police. Right? But One Kevin not like that. So him come on TikTok. This is a foreigner man who I doubt the last time he come to Jamaica, you know. Him so vexed about it, I must be a 4-year-old girl, and little girl is dead in a whole mix and say a soldier must shoot her, a shooter of a gunman. We don't know for sure. But what we do know is that One Kevin is coming on the social media TikTok like myself and I chat shit about how him a go send mass, come give young boy them a Jamaica for mass up so they can shoot police too. One Kevin, my mother in the kitchen I don't want tell you the whole of bad word them when I'm a brain right now. When you send that out to One Kevin, you see, a number 9 that on the top 10 of King Nyah News Blem. Now One Kevin, hear me now brother. We don't want no man to send no gun come to Jamaica to gunman them down here. We don't want to send no mass. We don't want no man to send no money to no gunman for buy no shot. Because you see what the result is. The police them are going to kill them. You see? So we just want that to One Kevin and the colleagues them where they are foreign use them money and send to come to fuck with Jamaica.
Gary,
okay.
Gary.
Well, her name is Velma. King Nyah my name. My name Gary.
Want it, you know.
Yet, we going back to America. I never want to go yes yet, you know. But true, I have a fault in my numbering system. Renee good. Renee good, the story we turned out for wasn't so good. People who know where I go and know the name that we just call. It's a white woman in America where protest against the fact that Trump had deport everybody in America and that white woman get her dead over it.
The woman shot in the face by a U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement agent in Minneapolis.
TikTok, we all see her get the gunshot in her face live, practically, on TikTok. Not so good. Let me read them. One, Renee Good arrested me. Oh, so we are tied up with Trump. Stop the immigration. So I ate this 2 part in I ate, you know. Part A of the 8 is Renee Good. We're dead. And then people start leak out and chat about it, including myself on TikTok. I don't know if Trump never likes it too much people are leak out against him, boy, then where shoot the people in America. So him start bungle up everything I want and he make it the immigration thing pause. Me here say Jamaica free up back now, meaning say anybody who is looking to migrate to America, and your papers in a process, you did get at least a few days worth of pause in our day because Trump have to start out him thing. And number 9, 8 that on the list. Now 7, we're counting down the top 10 King Nyah News Blem items of so far we gone. In a barely a week. About 2 weeks, but a barely a week. What a news this, you know. The year just started, you know. Hold on. Number 7. Lord God, we still there Trump and the Iceman them. Chronic Law, ice arrest. Chronic Law, we never put up that on YouTube already, TikTok.
People, here I go on now with Chronic Law. Chronic Law, the law boss. Him just buck a girl from Brooklyn. Push thing, push Blem, and the girl push him right and him going to ice custody.
Just buck a girl from Brooklyn.
Chronic Law, the law boss, the gunman DJ at 2 part at number 7 too. I got tie in another part to it. Chronic Law, me just buck a girl from Brooklyn. Stush thing. Good body, good skin. Are the first set of lines that in I'm tune him say, New York girls them, him don't know them like me. Me breed one of New York. Me breed more than one of New York, but I one carry the belly. No, so you must know I know New York. And I know ice way before Chronic Law know them. And here when I also know before some of them gunman here. Gunman thing, and what one of the word to gunman, them wrap right up with the whole Trump situation. Gunman Skank is a tune named Gunman Skank. Only don't mind Mama Valley in the background. And my mother, you see, and she don't really like me. And she don't like only neither to that TikTok. You know, old people, them don't like young people on TikTok. Me just I'm going to see what I got. There's a song named Gunman Skank.
Day One Link Records.
Yo! You don't like the real gunman, them want dance and can't dance. Hard gunman!
Rokumpeng. Say yes, no man. Gunman skank. Everybody do the gunman skank.
Two song. Me did think them new. One of them a long time, 5, 6, 7 year old me know. And one of them about 8 months old. Me heard pan Zip FM one night. You hear the name of the song though, Gunman Skank. And you hear me just record pan one Kevin and walk one way police them a do with the gunman them. I just telling you here, my dancer friend them. Don't bother do no gunman skank because the gunman thing not ending out well at Jamaica. That is my word and that newish dance named Gunman Skank. Big up yourself, Chronic Law. You're gonna be skanking in ice custody right now. You're gunman self. Number 6. Family massacre. That shit still relevant? I'm asking. That is the number 6. It's not a news item, it's a news question. Is the massacre versus Tamale lyrical feud still a relevant one? Tamale have a new tune out named Troublemaker. Lord, you know why Troublemaker and that mix it. But me tell you God truth, I don't see why massacre a clash Tamale. I don't see why. First of all, you're not hearing one word with Tamale are saying and none of them sang them. Let me come up close here. Tamale, we don't know what you're saying, not even a tune. Big up my brethren kit, Music Mansion. The tune video in the Montego Bay, we want to make a promotion. Music Mansion, Montego Bay. Is a very nice tourist attraction and you need to pay on the money and go in there. Reggae Walk of Fame and some whole other musical thing. Tamale, they must pay them money and them video, music video, Troublemaker in there. But watch this Troublemaker named King Nyah. Tamale, I don't know what they're saying in none of your song them. Massacre, why are you clashing Tamale? Who's Tamale? Big up on yourself here Tamale, but my question at the start is what I'm going to ask at the end. Is this feud still relevant right now? We're about 3 weeks in to 2026. That was item number 6, strongman number. Number 5, counting down the top 10 news items 2026, early. Nurse strike at Cornwall Regional. And not only nurse them, you know, when we did write that few days ago, I did just nurse them, all the doctor them join them now at strike. And I said, Tuftan. How your name again? Tuftan? Oh, you know don't build a hospital at Cornwall Regional yet. Jesus Christ, how much money, how much time, how much energy is it gonna take to finish this project? When I start how long now before me start grade? I mean I grade from in my 20s. When I start this hospital down at Cornwall Regional, I know it not start. There was a hospital there, I do not add on it. And this is many years later after the ground break. And the damn nurse, them have to ball, so them have to stretch over patient for reach to another patient. Tuftan. Work it out now, man. Me just put in a little thing. One of the things that we shot in Jamaica, the biggest thing, is man for build. We have some work for man from do for mix concrete and know for put black for one, black for another man. But building is not just a physical thing, it's a mental. Tuftan no look like him know for do it. We want to figure out that Jessica we no like here that we are going to nurse them. Number 4, I wonder if I have a 4 here. Yep. Bartlett, $155 million trip them. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna ask you know. Make King Nyah the Minister of Tourism to Jamaica because I don't know where them need $155 million for fly up and down for people come to Jamaica. Look how people love Jamaica. You see how when the Melissa relief we have to turn back money and steal food. People love Jamaica like crazy. People are killed for come to Jamaica. People literally dead. One plane pilot man, white people, rich people, America, because you can't pour our own plane. And are dead for carry food, literally. Salute you, rest in peace, brother. Who literally, him and him daughter, a fly plane come here more than one trip. And when I trip end in the tragedy. Them need for one for have to come to Jamaica. We don't need no $155 million for pick out Edman. We call him say Edman Bartlett. When me a grow, him a MP up a Mike Road up a Backbush I'm going now. And he was the MP there. So you see how long ago? You see how long back and him no age one day. How him for age? And him have taxpayer money and fly up and down all over the world and chat shit about tourism money. We don't need to spend them money there for people come here. People love Jamaica. Stop give Bartlett the money them, me a beg you bro God. Stop put money in a Bartlett them hand for waste. I said them a bring tourists come here. We don't need that. Good. That was Bartlett at number 4. On the top 10 we reach number 3. UHWI, University Hospital of the West Indian, fraud. That's the next word them have after that, eh? And I'm sure it's not the first time. Them robbing them. Here am I right. Should the UHWI should, this is a somebody from tax investigation, said a word in a newspaper. UHWI should immediately cease its tax exempt status on imports for private entities. It means, it look like all the fraud thing going on you, is that some top man we want to bring in some hospital things, some medical supplies, is using university hospital name for bringing the sick them free for them. Dog shitness, tough time. Figure it out like how you need to figure out how if done the damn hospital, won't have a bill how long, how much money I dash away. Figure out the fraud thing up on you because a fraud pan fraud, but let a fraud we. The money them when I fly up and down a fraud, and this US hospital money is a big set of fraud. Number 2, you're not supposed to say dancehall. 2 in dancehall I do, because after 1 is 2, so them teach me at school. Me not follow no don't say in a dance. SSL charge, that should have up there long time. Hugh Crosky, let's call the name of the dog shit people. You have dog shit with brown and dog shit with white, you know. A white, 3 white people name me I go call now, and is a black man money them thief. Jesus Christ, how Jamaica. Rich white people. Me no know no poor people with white at Jamaica. Me have more than one white friend. I mean not this no race now. Me have this dirty Jankro people. Jankro coming a white to hear 3 Jankro name. Hugh Crosky, the head of who start SSL. When this story come out, me research and find out who start that company and film name first me come up with. And this was about 3 years ago. His name just a Carl Strong now. Sarah Meany, or Sarah Meany, who is the daughter of Hugh Crosky, married a man named Meany. The friggy got married a man named Mean in her name. You know, must have a start thief. You better go sell your front road and back road like how I make the prediction. Pan sitting white vagina will sell at back road. I'm gonna say that to you, Sarah, because it now have no white girl over there. Gather up the money them, okay, because we want back bolt money. And Zachary Harding, who tried to take himself out tight, he was a damn scapegoat. Where after Hugh Crosky rob up, Hugh Crosky put him in there now and say, well, run it, my family. That time he done robbery. So when you get catching a thief, you know, you never know say another man thief and put you there. Forget catch. Zachary, hush and sorry, but his 3 dog shit were white that name I call. And the young black man who run him hard out for Jamaica and finally catch a money is them thief it. Them away girl name Pantan. Jean and Pantan. She's the brown version of dog shit. I mean black. Alright, that was 2. Number 1. On the JPS Southwest, yeah. JPS I do a thing, them reach a level. I don't know if the light them come back yet. Not all light come back out of west where the whole light sitting them blue. Every light post, when you reach St. Elizabeth, every light post down, right round, if you go round, through the grill, round to Mobile, every light post is down. So then say them borrow 300 million. That's all? 300 million. I must, and US money that, you know, don't it? So a whole lot of money it needs, so most US money that. And then get 150 million so far, and some of my work done so far. Whole heap of more work left to be done. But guess what? Whole heap of robbery I gotta do because I know some of them money they will borrow and pay out. I rob up. Ask the truck driver them, ask the man them where they on the light post them where I go. Ask the JPS man them where get them pay for put up the sit them and then still I start the people them for put up more sitting again. And number 1 that panelist, I don't know if I the hottest item panelist, but that's the top 10. News item right now, really, in 2026 right here in Jamaica. King Nyah now.